Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from Uber Driver app, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw earnings from the Uber Driver app, start by launching the app on your smartphone. Log in to your driver account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the earnings section of the app. Locate the balance displayed, which represents your total earnings. Tap on the balance to see a detailed breakdown of your earnings and any pending amounts. Look for the Cash Out option, usually found near your earnings summary. Select the Cash Out button to initiate the withdrawal process. Choose your preferred payment method for receiving funds. If you prefer direct deposit, ensure your bank account details are up to date. For instant cash out options, confirm your connected debit card information. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum cash out requirements. Review the transaction details displayed on the screen for accuracy. Once verified, confirm the withdrawal by tapping the Confirm button. Wait for the app to process your request, which typically takes only a few moments. Check for a notification or confirmation message indicating the cash out has been successful. Monitor your bank account or debit card to ensure the funds arrive as expected. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the help section in the app for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings from the Uber Driver app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.